Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we discuss about measurement. A number that shows the size or amount of something, or also usually the number is in reference to some standard measurement. First of all, in measurement we discuss about length. Length shows the size of any object. Size of any object. Large or small. For larger object we use meter. Similarly, for smaller object we use centimeter. These two are the units to measure the length of any object. If we measure the length of smaller object, then we use centimeter, and if we measure the length of larger object, then we use meter. For example, let us give us some examples here. If you discuss the length of your classroom, then we use meter. And if you discuss the length of eraser, then you use centimeter. जब हमारे पास किसी स्मॉलर ऑब्जेक्ट को हमने मेजर करना होता है तो हम सेंटीमीटर को यूज़ करते हैं, और हमने जब लार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट को मेजर करना होता है तो हम मीटर यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ वी डिस्कस changing centimeter to meter or meter to centimeter. You all know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Is equal to 100 centimeter. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Centimeter is smaller unit, meter is larger unit. Now if we have 121 centimeter, then how many meters are there in 121 centimeter? Let us calculate. अब हमारे पास कितने मीटर हैं इस फिगर में, ये हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे. As you all know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So this can be written as 100 plus 21 centimeter. And in next step 100 centimeter plus 21 centimeter. Further 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So write down here 1 meter plus 21 centimeter, and then 1 meter 21 centimeter. So there are 1 meter in 121 centimeter. Similarly, you can calculate this in short form. आप बिल्कुल इसको shortly भी calculate कर सकते हैं. How? If you have 138 centimeter, then this is equal to, first number is 1 meter 38 centimeter. Next is 308 centimeter. Again look at the first digit. पहले digit को देखें 3. So write down here 3 meter. Next is 8 centimeter. This is how you can convert from centimeter to meter. Next, there is conversion from 2 meter 94 centimeter. जिस तरह से हमने सेंटीमीटर को ब्रेक डाउन करके मीटर और सेंटीमीटर में लिखा था लास्ट टाइम, बिल्कुल इसी तरह अब हमारे पास ये नंबर ऑलरेडी मीटर और सेंटीमीटर में गिवन है, हमने इसे सेंटीमीटर में लिखना है. तो हम इन दोनों नंबर्स को कंबाइन कर लेंगे किस तरह से, 294 सेंटीमीटर। वन मोर एग्जाम्पल, if you have 9 meter, then you all know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 9 meter is equal to 9 multiplied by 100, which is equal to 900 centimeter. This is how we can change meter to centimeter and centimeter to meter. Next class, now we discuss addition and subtraction related to meter and centimeter. अब हम addition और subtraction को discuss करेंगे। For example, if we have sum 5 meter 18 centimeter, 2 meter 67 centimeter, and we have to add this. हमने इसको क्या करना है, ऐड करना है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सेंटीमीटर, 7 plus 8 you have 15. Now look at this 15. This is 1 and this is 10. So write down 5 here and 1 carry here. 6 plus 1 7 and 7 plus 1 you have 8. So write down here 85. As here unit is centimeter, so write down here centimeter. Now add 5 to 2, you have 7 and unit is meter. This is how we can add two lengths that is given in meter and centimeter. Now come towards subtraction. 4 meter 29 centimeter, 3 meter 21 centimeter. Now 9 minus 1 we have 8. 9 में से हम जब 1 माइनस करेंगे हमारे पास 8 आ जाएगा, और 2 minus 2 0 सेंटीमीटर एज इट इज. अगेन 4 minus 3 1 meter. So you have 1 meter and 8 centimeter. This is how you can subtract two measurements. This is all about our today's lecture. Today in measurement topic, first of all we discuss about definition of measurement. Then we discuss length. In measurement, how we can define length, size of any object. For this we have two units, centimeter and meter. Centimeter for smaller object, meter for larger. And then we convert centimeter to meter and meter to centimeter. And after that we add and subtract various lengths. This is all about our today's lecture. Hope you understand well. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.